Lang yung mga mag-i-impeach kay Mayor Digong, hindi siya i-impeach kung akong vice. Dahil hindi nila malulok na ako magiging gagawin nilang presidente. So, I suppose the best way to safeguard Mayor Duterte would be to have me as his vice president, because siguradong hindi siya tatanggalin dahil akong papalit sa kanya. So talagang hindi na gagawin. So that's a good way to safeguard his position.
So you not support any impeachment?
Of course not. Ayaw natin ng gulo. That's the last thing we need in this country is more gulo. What we need is to stabilize our political situation so that we can attend to all the problems that are faced by our people. Even, never mind yung impeach, sinabi ko na, I've already taken the position, it should not be the policy of any president or vice president or any member of the executive na habul-habulin yung mga nakaraan. And as I have said in many interviews, kung sasabihin nila na ikukulong ang mga, o iimbestigahan o kakasuhan yung mga opisyal ng nakarang administrasyon, I will advise against it. Because tama na yan. Walang nangyari sa atin sa ganyang klaseng sitwasyon. We know what's happened. Nothing will happen. Kinulong nito, inimbestigahan, kinasuhan niya. Wala may naitulong ba dyan? Has it helped anybody? Is our situation better? Has it built one school room? Has it created one job? May pinakain ba na bata? Yung mga ganyang klaseng ginawa? Wala. So, tabi na muna natin yan, and we get on with the work of the government, which is providing services to the people.